Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. In the previous video, we have discussed some problems on how to find the rank of the matrix of order 4 cross 4. Here also we will continue with some more problems, that is find the rank of the matrix of the given order 4 cross 4, that is solution. Let us consider this matrix as A equal to 3, 4, minus 1, minus 6, 2, 3, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 14, minus 9, 1, 3, 13, 3. So now we perform elementary transformation. So first what we will do here, we want here the leading element as 1. So we will change the fourth row to the first row, that is R4 changes to R1, that is the fourth row will change to first row, that is 1, 3, 13, 3. Second row as it is 2, 3, 2, minus 3. Third row as it is, that is 2, 1, minus 14 and minus 9, and the last row we can take it as first row, that is 3, 4, minus 1 and minus 6. So next we will perform here, that is, so next we will make this term as 0, this term as 0 and this term as 0. So we will apply elementary transformation, that is R2 dash equal to R2 minus 2R1, R3 dash equal to R3 minus 2R1. So R4 dash equal to R4 minus 3R1. R4 minus 3R1. So first we will perform, that is R4 minus, that is we are not changing the first row, so we will write as it is, that is 1, 3, 13, 3. So we are changing the second row, that is R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, it is 0. Next 3, that is R2 minus 2 R1, that is 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 3, that is minus 3. So 2, R2 is 2, 2 minus 2 into 13. This is 26. 26. So 2 minus 26 is minus 24. Next minus 3. Minus 3 minus of 2 into plus 3, that is minus 6 minus 3, that is minus 9. That is minus 9. So next is third row, that is R3 minus 2R1. R3 minus 2R1 means this will be 0. Next 1 minus 2 into first row, that is 3. 2 3 is 6. 1 minus 6 will be minus 5. Next minus 14. Minus 14 minus 2 into 13, minus 14 minus 2 into 13, this is minus 14 minus 26, this will be 10, that is 40, that is minus 40, that is minus 40. Next that is minus 9 of 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6, minus 9 minus 6, that is minus 9 minus 6, 15, that is minus 15, that is minus 15. So last row, that is R4 minus 3R1, the first term will be 0, next 4, R4 is 4 minus 3 times of R1, 3 times of R1 means 4 minus 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, and 4 minus 9 will be again minus 5. Next 3, R4 is minus 1 minus of 3 into 13, 3 3 is 9, 39, 39 minus 1, sorry, 39 minus 1 minus 39, that will be minus 40. Next minus 6, next is minus 6 minus of 3 into R1, that is 6, 3 3 is 9, 9 minus 6 will be again minus 15. Element transformation. Here now row 3rd and row 4th are equal. So with the help of the row 3 we can reduce the row 4 as 0. So what we will do here, R4 dash equal to R4 minus R3, that is 1 3 13 3 0 minus 3 minus 24 minus 9 0 minus 5 minus 40 minus 15. Now we are changing the row 4, that is 0 minus 0 0 minus 5 plus 5 0 minus 40 plus 40 0 minus 15 plus 15 0. So we have the leading element 1, the below term of the leading element is 0. Next, if this is 0, then this 2 must 0. So now we have to make this as 0. First what we will do here, we will reduce this row and this row, that is R2 dash equal to minus 1 by 3 into R2 and R3 dash equal to minus 1 by 5 into R3. So now next, that is 1 3 13 3, that is 0 1 8 3 0 1 8 3. Next this will be 0 0 0 0. Now the second row and the third row are equal. So by using the second row we will reduce the third row, that is R3 dash equal to R3 minus R2. So now 1 3 13 3 0 1 8 3 1 minus 1 0 8 minus 8 0 3 minus 3 0 and the remaining terms are 0. Now therefore your rank of the matrix will be 2, because here the number of non-zero rows are only 2 and the remaining terms are the 0 rows. So this is about the how to find the rank of the matrix. Next we will study about the canonical form or orthogonal form of a matrix or a normal form of a matrix. Next is the normal form of a matrix normal form of a matrix. We can call it as canonical or orthogonal, canonical or orthogonal form. So by definition, every non-zero row, every non-zero matrix, every non-zero matrix can be reduced to every non-zero matrix can be reduced to any one of the form, that is IR 0 0 0 or that is IR 0 or that is IR 0 or only IR. By applying finite number of elementary operation on rows and columns, where IR is unit matrix, of order R, then each one of the above form is called normal form. Next is the normal form of a matrix. We can call it as also canonical form or a orthogonal form. So how to find the normal form of a matrix? First we will see the definition of normal form of matrix. Every non-zero matrix can be reduced to any one of the form, that may be square matrix IR 0 0 0 or a row matrix that is IR 0 or a column matrix that is IR 0, or it may be only IR. Here by applying finite number of elementary operations on rows and columns, where this IR is a unit matrix of order R. This IR are the unit matrix of order R, then each one of the above form is called the normal form. Here what do you mean by unit matrix? Unit matrix is nothing but here the diagonal elements are 1 and the rest of the elements, that are the non-diagonal elements, are 0. Diagonal elements are 1 and the non-diagonal elements are 0. That is, we can, by performing or by applying finite number of elementary operations on rows and columns, here the matrix of that is where IR is the unit matrix of order R. Unit matrix is, that is the diagonal elements are 1 and the non-diagonal elements are 0. Then each one of the above form is called this the normal form. These forms are called as the normal form, except the diagonal elements, that is we can make that as diagonal element as 1 and the non-diagonal elements as 0. This is about the normal form of a matrix. So this was the definition of normal form of matrix. In the next session we will solve some problems on normal, how to reduce the given matrix into normal form. So thank you. We will continue in the next video.